Look, I have been here for both the days. In fact, I have seen a lot of companies here demonstrating and explaining about their roles here also on the other room, and I have been able to get through a lot of information about the technologies which have been coming around. And there are a lot of things which are already present, and where the government, I basically represent the government vertical in my organization. And in government, I see a lot of requirements of these kind of stuffs where the technology advancement is happening so fast. So the requirement is in tune with those technology requirements. Whereas we, since we are living in the world of 2Gs and 3Gs at the moment, so there are a lot of things which we are not aware of. So these 2 days have given me a lot of insight about the things which have been moving around in the world, where we can utilize this information to make sure that the customers are benefited at the end. So my learning is that we would be able to give more value add to the end customers based on the inputs which we have received, because there is only marginal cost increase when we see these technologies being aided in terms of the solutioning to the end customers. I really appreciate the way the speakers have been introduced here. In fact, I was not anticipating such high profile speakers to come and enlighten us with their thoughts, because it is almost all the verticals which were present here, right from the CIOs who were addressing the conference and the CTOs, and obviously the business aspects which was discussed today. So in fact gave us all 360 degrees overview about the technology, right from the technological perspective, right, also from the how the CIO sees the things, and also how the business team looks at this in terms of that. And we would be able to generate enough inputs for the end customers also to make sure that this technology is there incorporated. That's a tough question. In fact, almost all the sessions I really enjoyed myself. In fact, the session which was with the CIOs session was the most revelation, round-table discussion. Interviews was the best session for me, in fact. Absolutely, the kind of input which I have gathered over 2 days, I would definitely share it within my organization and the people around me. And I hope to rope in more of my colleagues in these kind of forums so as to ensure that they also get adequate knowledge. Thank you. Thank you very much.